And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation with this beautiful custom dry creek bed installation brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. And the reason why we did this is because we had a tremendous amount of water that was falling through the path of least resistance on this landscape. So I came up with a design that allowed for me to be able to build this dry creek bed and allow that water to be able to flow to the back of the landscape, and most importantly, in a controlled manner. Now, in addition to that, we also put in this retaining wall. We also brought in over 15 tons of decorative gravel. We tied in over 250 feet of gutter downspout piping. But what it did is it gave this customer a landscape drainage solution that's gonna last a lifetime. That's right, folks, I do mean a lifetime. This is an installation that the customer is gonna be able to utilize for friends and family outdoor gathering, but it's also saying that they're never gonna have to worry about their erosion problems on their landscape, and they're gonna be able to occupy this space for a long time to come. Now, in addition to that, as you can see on this house, there are massive gutter downspouts, all of which we've tied in over 250 feet to be exact, some of which we just took out to this side here with a pop-up, but most of them taking all the way out to the back of this landscape, and it's giving this customer the ultimate outdoor landscape drainage solution. Now, in addition to that, we also got this beautiful custom retaining wall installation that gave the customer an opportunity to be able to have the outdoor entertainment space that they were looking for. Also came back with the beautiful decorative gravel on this side of the landscape that allowed for them to be able to go back with a edge or border piece that was similar to their existing home. So these are just some of the ways in which we've been able to completely transform our customers' landscape, and it's the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. Now, in addition to that, I want to show you what we did on this hillside so that you can better understand the way in which we're solving landscape drainage problem. Now, this area here had a tremendous amount of erosion happening. We put in the erosion control fabric along with our decorative gravel, and as you can see, it's not going anywhere, folks. It's absolutely amazing what we've been able to do here, because it's allowed for us to be able to have an area that was saying completely dilapidated with erosion that now is being able to be sucked up by this decorative gravel. And then we also came back with the retaining wall at the bottom of this landscape just to give that customer the extra protection on their landscape. But in addition to that, that beautiful dry creek bed, folks, we had a tremendous amount of water that would have fallen from this particular area here that you see from the driveway, fall into the path of least resistance. But now no longer is it able to just go through this landscape. It has to go through this dry creek bed that we've created, which is now going to allow for it to be taken off to the backside of the property. But this is some of the ways in which we're creating and solving landscape drainage problems for customers all over the area. And it definitely is one of the reasons why we've become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. So if you're looking for your outdoor landscape transformation, you don't have to look far. With a custom dry creek bed may be just what you need. It's going to allow for you to be able to control that water, take it off the backside of your landscape, and then most importantly, what you want to do is position yourself in order to be able to take on all of that water that would have come from those gutter downspouts, and that water which would have come as a result of you being in a position where you just have a lot of water moving on bare dirt. We brought in the erosion control fabric along with our decorative gravel, and it really did give this customer so much more space, but it also gave them an opportunity to be able to utilize this space for a lifetime. And that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping, when we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.